Okay, so this is the second week of doing the Gateway Experience meditation from the Monroe Institute. So I've been doing Focus 10 for the last probably 2 weeks. So today I thought, okay, why not try a different one? So I wrote notes. I did the Wave 2 Threshold Living Body Map. And let me tell you, this is my favorite one. So what this one does is it puts you through, right, the whole process. So you'll do your resonant breathing, you'll do the affirmation, you'll do the Focus 10, and then Monroe takes you through this exercise. And you do, basically what it's doing is you're creating a living body map to equalize and stabilize and your body and your emotions. So I'm reading off of my notes. So it's basically for balance and equalization of the body. So basically what he does first is he will have you envision your body outline in a white, encompassing, beautiful light, which was fantastic. And then after that, he had me visualize red, which signifies your circulatory system. And as I'm doing this, I'm imagining red going around my whole body and just it like it's circulating, right? Like your blood flow. Then he had us imagine blue, like a very bright blue. And I imagine kind of like, not a neon blue, but like the blue that your blood would be, right, inside your body, and having it go around my body. And that signifies your nerves. Then after that, he had me do the yellow. And I imagine kind of like, not like a bright yellow, but kind of like a jaundicey, like with some warm tones in there, because that's probably what it would be in the body. And imagining it going around the body. Then he had me imagine orange, which is, I imagine, kind of like the color of an orange, and had it circulating. And then as I was doing this, when he had me imagine, the white light going around my body, I saw vividly in my mind's eye white light shooting out of my feet. And it was so cool. And it reminded me kind of like Beauty and the Beast. This is so weird. When the beast becomes the prince again and he, gets rid of all of the unwanted things and becomes the light being he really is. So weird, but that's what I thought of. Then Dr. Monroe had me take the energy like tool, right, that we do, and imagine it hovering over places that were dim or not bright. And so one of the things that I have is I had an issue with my knee recently, my left knee. So what he had me imagine was that there was purple light coming out of it, and to focus that purple light onto the spaces that were dim or hurting. And let me tell you, it was so cool. I imagined like purple mist, like going through my whole body, and then the unwanted energy I imagined as like black mist, kind of just like going like this out of my body. Then the last part was he had me equalize my emotional body, and what he had me imagine was that there were like two parts of me. So there was like my outline, that's my physical, and then the outline, that's my emotional. And immediately what I thought of when he wanted me to go to my emotional, I saw in my mind's eye the Milky Way. And I felt so happy, because really we are more than our physical body. We are existence. We are part of the cosmos, and it was so profound. You guys, this is so cool. So if you have not done Wave 2 Threshold Living Body Map, definitely start at the beginning, but this one was my favorite. Tell me your thoughts and what you've experienced doing this. Love you.